Carl's Jr.'s Western Bacon Cheeseburger is legend. It's maybe not quite as great as it used to be, but I'm going to show you how to make a really great Western Bacon Cheeseburger that is exactly the way they make it. This isn't just a copycat recipe, folks. This is the actual recipe. Onion rings, barbecue sauce, the meat, the buns, the whole thing, the bacon, all of it. I'm going to show you how to make this thing exactly the way it's supposed to be made, because that's what we do here at How to Cook. We do things exactly. And if you are not new here, you know why that's funny. This one, however, is exact. I've done my homework. I have the right sauce. I have the right onion rings. I have everything. You want to know all those secrets? You're in the right place. So let's get started making this. The Western Bacon and Double Western Bacon Cheeseburgers use 1 or 2 4-ounce patties. That's right, these are 1/4 pound patties. We've got this measured out, 4 ounces. It's going in our 4.5-inch burger ring here, and we are going to gently pack this down. Do not over compact it or you will make the meat too dense. Now we got the first one done. Since we're making a Double Western, I'm going to go ahead and get the second patty done here, and it's coming out of the ring, and there you go. That's perfect. Now all we have to do is cook these up. We've got our grill nice and hot. These are going down. We got the bacon going on here. I cooked this off in the oven a little bit earlier to about 90% done, and then finish it up heating it on the grill. It gives it a nice smoky thing there. We're going to put a little salt and pepper on the meat, season that up, make sure you don't burn the bacon. The buns have been lightly toasted, and just give them a little bit of a turn to get that beautiful crosshatch on them. The bacon is hot, it's ready to go. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful bun. Come on, if I know beautiful buns, come on, that's it right there. So after about a minute or so on a nice hot grill, these things are ready to come off. Unfortunately, this grill isn't the cleanest grill in the world. So the one's sticking a little bit. If it sticks, you can let it cook a little bit longer. Sometimes that helps. If you don't have time to let it cook a little bit longer because you're trying to shoot a video, well, then you can just force it and tear a piece off. Just keep your grill clean. That helps a lot. And rub a little oil on it before you put the meat on there. It helps too. Alright, the burger patties are off of the grill. They're hot. They're charbroiled. And we are ready to cheese them, because this is a Western Bacon Cheeseburger. We have to put the cheese on the burger. Now, as you saw from the thing, keep your grill nice and clean and oiled, and it won't stick like that. And you lose a piece. Okay, so it's not a full 1/4 pounder on that one patty, but we got 2 slices of cheese. We've got our beautiful, I mean, seriously, look at this bun. Look at how beautiful that bun is. Does that just not make you want to eat that bun right now? Come on. We put a little bit of butter on it, threw it on the grill, turned it to get our crosshatch. It's delicious. We have our barbecue sauce here. This is the authentic, guaranteed, original Carl's Jr. barbecue sauce. Do you want the recipe for this? I haven't given you the recipe for this yet, have I? No, I haven't. Well, I have a secret for you. The recipe is, let's see, it's on the back of the bottle. This is the, Heinz supplies the barbecue sauce for Carl's Jr., and this is it right here. They make it. It's even got the star on it and the swoopy thing in it. Yeah, this is the one. If you check the ingredients on the back, oh, you know what? How about this? I'll just do a screenshot, stand here and go, look, all the ingredients. Now check their ingredients. It's identical, because this is their sauce. You can buy this. I picked this up at CVS. Weird. They don't carry it at my grocery stores, but CVS has it. I believe Wally Mart has it, and you can get it on Amazon. But CVS, it was like $4.99, $5 locally. There you go. I think it's the only barbecue sauce they actually carry. It's kind of strange, but it worked out in my favor because I actually have a CVS near me. If you do not, well, then you don't live around here. Okay, what else are we missing? Our onion rings. Done. Here's the onion rings. There they are. That's right where I left them, right in my magic fingers, when they just go pow, and suddenly they're there. Do you want to know how to make the onion rings? Because those are Carl's Jr.'s onion rings. Yes, I made a completely separate video for that. I will show highlights of it here. You make a batter. You put it in breadcrumbs. You put it in the deep fryer. There you go. If you want to know what goes into the batter and what kind of breadcrumbs and all the rest of it, you're going to have to watch that video, which I think I'm planning on releasing tomorrow, unless it's already after that, in which case maybe the link to that video is right here. It could be right here, how to make the onion rings, because you got to know how to make the onion rings. You can't buy those onion rings unless you go to Carl's Jr. And if you're already going there, just get this stupid burger. But anyways, now, I cheated a little bit with the sauce. Do you want to know the actual recipe for the sauce? You know, there's like weird stuff in here, right? There is some strange things in here, and there is not a lot of natural spices. What does that mean? It's a little tough to track down exactly what's in that, but if you can buy it for $5, there you go. Pretty easy. They take the science and do it all for you. It's a piece of cake. It's the best I can tell you, folks. We're going to take our sauce, we're going to put it down in a bun. This is a scatterbrained episode. I should really start scripting these things because I'm kind of all over the place today. I don't know if you noticed that. This has a healthy dollop. See that? That's the sauce. Do you see that? That's the sauce. It's got the flecks in it. It's got the whole thing. There's tamarind in there. Yes, there is. You're asking yourself, what is tamarind? I have no idea. This is how to cook, not how to chef. What the hell do I know about tamarind? Come on. I know it's in there because it says it. I know how to pronounce it because it's really not that hard to pronounce. But you better have a lot of this sauce on here. So we're going to put a lot of sauce because if it doesn't get all over the sauce, it doesn't deserve to be in your sofa or something. I don't know what their sayings are. They're so confusing to me. We got our 3 onion rings going down. That looks exactly the way they do it, doesn't it? I'm going to put this guy down first. Yes, I am. I'm going to hide my sins of the thing falling apart by putting this guy down next. We've talked so long, it's all getting cold. What we? Yeah, you chatterbox, you talking my ear off all day here. Okay, we got our bacon going down because, come on, it's bacon. It's delicious. It's amazing. I'm going to spread the bacon out a little bit into a pattern so that there's bacon for the thumbnail shot. We've got our top bun. Where is the prettiest side of the top bun? Double Western Bacon Cheeseburger. Carl's Jr., you're welcome. That is, if you don't have a Carl's Jr. anywhere near you, you need to eat this burger because this burger is worth driving for. At least it used to be. Not everything is as good as it used to be. I bet that is because we made it ourselves, which makes it amazing. I'm going to give you this shot. Look at how gorgeous that is. Look at how gorgeous that is. Isn't that amazing? Doesn't really have the barbecue sauce dripping down the top. We might have put more barbecue sauce in it because it's got to have barbecue sauce dripping off the front, especially for the thumbnail. Come on, we're putting a blop right there. I'm cheating. Now you know how I did that. Now you know how I made that look so good. See, it's got the barbecue sauce. That is a burger smile if I've ever seen one. I'm going to take the thumbnail real fast. We're moving on. Okay, folks, I'm back. This thing's ready to die. It's been calling me, going, please eat me, eat me. I can hear it. Can you hear it? Eat me. Can't even see my lips move, can you? Nope, I'm good. I'm going in. I'm tasting this thing because, oh my God. Oh, it's almost too pretty to eat. It's almost too pretty to eat, but we're going in. Mm, 1000%. 1000%. New term. 1000%. Oh, that sauce. That's so. Okay. Seriously, folks, I'm really, really proud of this one because that is. I turned it up. I set it upside down. I'm sorry. Oh, I have to go now because I have to eat that. That is that is exactly it. 100%. That is the Western Bacon Cheeseburger. If you want to know how to make that, follow this video and you now know. And I'm going to keep dancing because I can't stop dancing because I'm excited. Some of these are better than others. Some of them have sauce on my face. That's pretty funny. And this one here is maybe the greatest video I've ever shot. I might have to retire after this. Spoiler alert. I'm done. I pull the ripcord, man. I've attained it. Yeah, that's it right there. Okay. I want to say thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you come back on the next one, and I'm going to try to do even better on the next video. I don't think it's possible because that is exactly 100% the Western Bacon Cheeseburger. The double Western Bacon Cheeseburger. That is it. That's the flavor. That's the flavor you used to get when this thing used to be great 20 years ago. Okay, I'm still dancing. All right, see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.